Welcome to my channel. Don't want to use the Nighthawk app? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your NETGEAR router manually using a web browser. Step 1. Connect hardware. Plug your modem into the yellow internet port on the NETGEAR router using an Ethernet cable and power on both devices. Step 2. Connect device. Connect your computer or phone to the NETGEAR router's Wi-Fi network. The default SSID, Wi-Fi name, and password are listed on the router's sticker. Step 3. Access web interface. Open a web browser and enter routerlogin.net in the address bar. When prompted, enter the default username, admin, and password. Step 4. Run Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will prompt you to change the default admin password and configure your Wi-Fi settings. Step 5. Finalize. If prompted, select the option to manually configure internet settings, usually, get dynamically from ISP, if you have cable, fiber. If the router was previously used, perform a factory reset by holding the rear reset button for 10 seconds before starting. For instant help call, 1-800-915-5645.